Whitehead JR. Currently our system supports laptop and PC with high-end connection only. So if you're facing this type of problem in your phone and if you can't use Whitehead JR application for your children to take the online classes on phone, then this video will be absolutely for you. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, what you have to do, simply go to your one of your browser and then you have to search for Whitehead JR. So here you can see, there you will find the official website of this application. Simply go there and then here this type of interface will be pop up. So guys, to use in phone, what you need to do, you have to simply click on these three dots on the top right of your screen, and then here you have to select in desktop site. So simply click on desktop site, your interface will be changed in a desktop site. So now guys, here you have to create a new account for your trial, so for your children. So what you need to do, first of all, you have to enter your email address. Okay, so after entering your email address, you have to give up your name here. So let me just go for my name, and then here you can see parents mobile. So in parents mobile you have to enter your phone number. So after entering the phone number, you have to cut this 91 from the above, and then kids name. So let me just go for kids name. You have to enter your kids name, and then here guys you can see class. You have to select the class of your kids. You have to select the class. So if your kids is 4 to 5 6, you have to select this. If it is 7 8 9, you have to select this. If it is 10 11 12, you have to select this. So let me just go for 7 to 9 for now. And then here they're asking for, do you have laptop PC at home for class? So just click on yes. If you don't have, also just click on yes, and then click on schedule a free trial. Okay, so guys, here you can see this type of interface will be up. So I hope this is helping you. I hope this will absolutely help you. You can select the time that you can just use the application from here in your phone. So this is something amazing. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and see you soon on the next video. I hope you enjoy this.